well, one only heat race here at Roaring Knob. 26 here tonight. Here we go. 7 wide on the start. Whoa, big car. Let's say the 7 jumped. Or wait, maybe it wasn't. I don't know. Was he on the front row originally? We're gonna try to start again. The 35, not 100% sure though. Now where are they going to get turned around at? They're about going south up there for some reason. Get turned around somewhere right there, or yeah, there's south there. Now it's on. No, I didn't get looped back around. I don't know why exactly they had to go all the way back around there to get turned around at this track.